everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see where I'm at with my project pan. I am trying to pan use up 19 products in 2019. So I have some updates to do with you guys, and this was a rolling pan and I was adding new things as I took things away, but because it is now mid-October and we only have a couple months left, I am no longer going to add to this. I am going to do some sort of project pan for next year. It won't be like 19 items. I haven't decided what I'm going to do yet, but because of that, as these items are gone, I am not replacing. At the end of the year, we will discuss what I actually used up, because I have kept a running list. And so there's a lot of products I have used up and are gone and were replaced. So yeah, let's get started. I'll start at the top of my list. This I have been using all year. This is the IPKN Radiant Primer. It's gone. This is over. It's done with. This was not a product that was a replacement for something else. This was one of the original items on my list of 19 products. So, gone. And I'm going to mark it off my list. I'm not replacing it with anything else. Next, my L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It's all dried up and gunky and it's gone. It was a replacement product that was on my list. It was a replacement of a replacement. So there we go. Glad that's gone. Next is my NARS foundation. I still have some of this left. It's a dark color. I can't use it just directly. I have to mix it with something else. So I will continue using this. I can't tell where I'm at, but I think there's plenty of product left in that. So unfortunately, that one's staying. Also, my Guerlain BB cream foundation. You can tell I'm using that baby. It might be used up by the end of the year. I hope so. But this one is closer to my skin tone than the NARS. I do mix a drop of NARS in with this, and that is what I'm wearing today. A mixture of these two. But there's more of this than there is of the NARS. So, but I really like this. But it will stay on the list. Next is an Ulta lip oil that is gone. I found it the other day and I just threw it away. It's gone, so that is off the list. Next, my Soap and Glory face wash. Let's let it settle a little bit. Last time we checked, I marked the bottle, so we can see where I'm at on it, and I think I've done pretty good. I think you can see, there's where I marked it, and you can see we're down here now. Let me mark it. Mark it with my pen. I need to mark it with a Sharpie. I got a little pen mark. I'll go back over that with Sharpie. But yeah, there we go. I will be glad to use this up. I no longer want any huge containers of cleanser. I like to switch things up too much. This is just a lot of face cleanser, so I still have that. Next was the Peter Thomas Roth Unwrinkle Peel Pads. Those I got rid of last time, and I didn't even mark it on here. I'm going to mark it out. I didn't put a replacement for it. But, yeah, those have been gone a while. Next, my Colourpop highlighter in Butterfly Beach. It is still going strong. Look at that. In this year, I have come to the rationalization that I love the Colourpop highlighters. I love this formula of highlighter. I use my finger to put it on. It goes where I want it to go. Yeah. I would like to hit pan on this, but if I don't use it up, and I know I won't, I'm not going to cry about it. It's fine with me because I really like this. So we're going to keep that. Next, Colourpop eyeshadows, some Super Shock eyeshadows. So we're going to check these out. I think Sugar. Sugar is my first. Sugar is crumbly and dried up, and Sugar's going in the trash. I'm going to mark Sugar off my list. Glitterati next. Glitterati. It's also kind of it's turned kind of grainy. It is not going on. It's going in the trash. I do not foresee purchasing any more Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows. For some reason, the eyeshadows don't last as long as like the highlighters or the cheek products in general. Yeah, so I have stopped really buying those. Next is Valley Girl. This is a Valley Girl. There we go. How is it feeling? It's still hanging in there, but you gotta rub it a lot to get some color. I am going to get rid of Valley Girl. Bye-bye, Valley Girl. And then the last one is Peekaboo. And this, I don't remember what collection this is from, but it's in black packaging. It's not coming off at all. It's just like slick and nothing's coming off on my finger. So, goodbye Peekaboo. Goodbye Peekaboo. The Makeup Forever eyeliner. I have totally lost that thing. It is, I'm just going to mark it off. I have no idea where that went. Now, my Tarte gel eyeliner. Man, I have been using that. Can you tell? I use it with every eye look. I am really trying to use that up. This is taking forever. I don't mind this pot gel eyeliner. I have a huge one still to be used that I got in a subscription box, the Pretty Vulgar one. But I don't think these are my favorite type of eyeliners. But I am using that sucker up. Next is I have my balm. Oh, I missed one. My chocolate bar palette. Here I am, the chocolate bar palette. I have been using that a lot. I have not hit pan on anything. If anything's going to hit pan, it's going to be Marzipan. That one's going to hit pan. That one's going to go first. This one is a little crumbly, so that might break out, but... And I have a really good dip in this one. White chocolate. If white chocolate was a smaller pan, I probably would have already hit pan on it. That's where I'm at on this. And I think I'm going to do something with older eyeshadow palettes next year. Maybe focus on one every 3 months or something. I'm still thinking about it. But yeah. Now, these little balm blushes. I got Cabana Boy, Palm Springs, and Frat Boy. Man, I use them. And they just hang in there. I tell you, if you get the full size, that sucker's going to last. I've come to the conclusion that I don't mind if I don't use these up. I will eventually use them up, or they'll get to where they don't go on anymore. But, well, let me see. Okay, Palm Springs is not swatching very well. Let's get rid of that, because that is not... That's not swatching well. These are old. These are about 3 years old, I think. Cabana Boy. Cabana Boy's going strong. We'll hang on to that. And then Frat Boy. Frat Boy. You can tell how... Oh, no. Frat Boy has got that really rough texture. Frat Boy is going away. It's feeling crumbly. The last thing in here is my L'Oreal lipstick in Ferris Nude. And I'll admit, I haven't used any more of that. I have not. It still smells okay. I'm going to keep it in my project pan. At the end of the year, I will trash it, though. It will be going away at the end of the year. So, I am... still have in my project pan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 products left in my project pan. I am decluttering 8 products. Wow. How am I missing something? That doesn't equal up to 19. Oh, I had some products that were already. So that was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. There was a few that I had decluttered before, and that's why it's not adding up. But there we go. Out of what I had in front of me, half is gone, half is staying. So I'm at 8 products left. And like I said, at the end of this year, we'll count up and see how many actual products I totally used up or either just decluttered because they were too old or whatever. So that's where we're at. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.